In this video, I'll be guiding you guys on how you can fix Valorant secure boot and TPM 2.0 error on MSI. So let's get started. Now we're going to look at various solutions and you'll have to go ahead and try all of them out to see which one works out. The first one we have is check BIOS settings. Check BIOS settings. So, restart your computer and press the designated key, which is usually F2, delete, or escape during the boot process. Navigate to the security or boot settings. Look for options related to secure boot and trusted platform module. Ensure secure boot option is enabled and set to standard or full mode. If available, enable TPM. Some systems might have a discrete TPM chip or an FTPM, which is firmware TPM, integrated into the CPU. Check your motherboard for manual and specific instructions. The second solution we have is verify TPM 2.0 support. 2.0 support. So, ensure your CPU and motherboard support TPM 2.0. You can find this information in your system specification or by checking the manufacturer's website. Now, if your system doesn't have a built-in TPM, you can purchase a discrete TPM 2.0 module and install it in a PCLE slot. The next fix we have is update BIOS and drivers. BIOS and drivers. Okay, so visit MSI's official website and download the latest BIOS and chipset driver updates for your system. Then follow the instructions on screen provided by MSI to install the updates. The next one we have is verify Windows 11 compatibility. Windows 11 compatibility. So, Valorant requires Windows 11 to function properly. If you're using an older version of Windows, consider upgrading. Notice that Valorant might still run, but the most preferred or the most best experience will be on the latest Windows, which is Windows 11. And lastly, we have restart your computer. So after making changes to your BIOS or system settings, always restart your computers to apply the changes. So alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope it helped you out and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.